Good evening, everybody. It is January 10th, Tuesday, and I just want to update you on a couple things. First, we had an awesome webinar with SMB Trading tonight. If you missed it, the link to show the recording should be available on the SMB blog tomorrow. And to get there, we're just going to go ahead. This is the address right here, www.smbtraining.com/blog. I will type that into the comments on the YouTube video. Also, the webinar was actually the launch of a bearish butterfly program, which I put together with SMB Trading, and it's a comprehensive training program on how to trade the bearish butterfly. It's the same trade that I post every month on the blog. So you should have a feel for it, but it gives you the comprehensive guidelines and how to treat certain situations and so forth. So that's going to be a great thing to have. So if you're interested in that at all, like I said, watch this webinar. And if you're so interested you want to just buy it ahead of time, you can just go to the SMB Options training page, www.smb.com/overview/SMB-options-training. I will post that in the link as well with the video. And when you get here, you scroll down to the bottom and you click on the bearish butterfly slice of the pie right here. Okay, I had a question on how I import and export trades in the Analyze page in Thinkorswim, and how to import and beta weight trades on the Thinkorswim Analyze page. So the first thing I want to do, I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to populate the Analyze trades here. So if you know how to populate the Analyze trades, you just populate the trades. You come in and you can set up a file on your computer ahead of time, or you can make it through here, whichever you'd rather do. And you click Export Current Trades, and that's probably going to bring you to your Documents file on your main computer. From there, you create a folder in here. My first folder for the stuff I do with the website is labeled number 1, because that way I can find it easier. My computer comes up as this is default. I pick a folder, Simulated Trades. I can add folders in here if I want to add another one. I just add a new folder like so, and we can just put this in here as test. All right, now I have a folder in here named test. I open it up. I save my trade right here, and then if I want to go retrieve the trade, I can delete my simulated trades. I can come into my import trades. I can navigate to where I want to go. Here's my test folder I just created. There's my trades I just imported in or exported, and they should come back in. Hold on, let's see what happened here. I click on it, simulated trades, open, and there they are. Okay. And that's how that's done. Now, as far as beta weighting and so forth, so let's say I have my M3 position on, and I have Russell, some IWM. I can come in here. I can put up my Russell graph. I can either use my positions. I choose to hide the positions, create duplicate trades for everything that I did and put them in here. That's my preferred way of doing things. I know the profit and loss is correct. I take this single symbol box, I click it over to portfolio weighted, and it brings in basically everything that I have in here for simulated trades. Now, I don't want Bank of America because that is not necessary, so I can either just unclick it or I can just completely delete them off, which is what I prefer to do. I delete those off, and now I have my IWM and my Russell position together, and you can see them combined. Now, sometimes when you do this, you'll get a really wacky looking. Well, let's try it actually. Let me delete these. I'm going to import them back in here. I don't want that. I do want this. And I'm going to bring my M3 trade back in. And then I'm going to bring my IWM in. Right, and by the way, I did have to save the IWM and the Russell under different files. And when I save them, if I have this whole position on and I want to export this trade, I say export current trades and I put them into a file, a test file. Since this says Russell RUT up here, it's only going to export the RUT trades. Then what I want to do, so I can save this, then what I want to do is I want to come in here and hit IWM, and then when I export it, it's only going to export the IWM trades. Okay, back to here. I got this wacky looking expiration line. This I believe this is a bug in the TOS software that happens when you export your IWM. So to correct that, you need to shift this back over this analyze graph to IWM. Let it sit for a minute. The trade comes in, your prices come in, and then you switch it back to Russell, and there it is. Okay, and since we're here with this method 3 trade, I made no adjustments today. If you've been following the market updates, we were kind of expecting an up move, and I had put this vertical in a little bit early in anticipation that the market's going to run to 775. We'll see if it gets there, I don't know, but I'm glad I had the vertical in there. It just helped shave off the losses on the upside. And I did make an adjustment on the 55-day trade today. So if I import that, what I did is I made a purchase. I purchased the second third of the trade. I came in and purchased the 790, 740, 690 put butterflies. And it currently looks like this. It is down like $29. Hopefully, we get up to 780. I can add the last third in, and then we back off. I don't know that we're going to get that high, but time will tell. And but anyway, this position looks really good. Everything is going as planned. And that is it for today. Thank you, and have a great night.